welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about the word 多. This is actually a word that appears in a lot of cases, so this video will be a part 1. So today we're gonna talk about 3 ways to use 多 and the 3 functions. What are the meanings and how to use them. So let's get to the first one. So 多, it means a lot or lot. So it has to use together with very. So 很多, it means a lot or very much. 很多. So this is only to describe the quantity of something, not a adverb of a degree, okay? So not thank you very much will be another one. This is like I bought a lot of apples. That would be 我买了. And then here comes to our a lot, 很多, and then the object, the noun, 苹果. Okay? So 我买了很多苹果. Or I can say I went to a lot of shops today, and that will be 我今天去了很多商店. 我今天去了很多商店. So 商店 it is shop, and also 店 it's like a place that can pay for something and you will get some service or get something. So it's like a shop. So if I say 书店, 书 means book. So 书店 means bookstore. So the second meaning that we can use about 多, which is in a question. So let's say if we have 多 plus some adjective, for example, big. So 多大 actually means how old. In my previous video, I talked about how to ask how old is someone. That will be 你多大了. In this case, 多 function as a how. So how big is someone? And then this will be someone 多大, and 了 indicate a completion or a change. So I also got a video to talk about 了. If you're interested in it, you can check it out. This is to indicate the past tense. Okay, so let's see next one. So adjective I will change, which is I change to tall. So you how tall? So it means what's the height of you. And then that will be 你多高? 你多高? Okay, so how tall are you? 你多高? And then let's see the answer. That will be 我1米67. So I 1米 1 meter 6 and then 7, so 67. In this case, to reply how tall are you, you do not need to say 67, just 6 and 7, that is enough. Also one thing, if I do not want to say an exact number like 167, I want to say an approximate number, and then that would be 我1米6. Do you remember what is the word that we mentioned last time? To indicate its approx number, like I am 160 something. So this is the word 几, and that will be 我1米6几. Okay, so this is the second way that we can use 多, and let's go to the third way. More plus verb. This one, it means you would like the other person to do something more. So sort of like you're trying to convince or you're asking, but you're not asking in a really harsh way. It is quite gentle, let's say. Like it's like a suggestion that you would like to the other person to do something. So 多 plus verb, okay? For example, nowadays we need to drink more water. So to drink more water, in Chinese the order, it is what comes to first? 多. So more comes to the first. And then 多喝水, more drink water. Okay, so 多喝水, more drink water. So let's check the next one. If I want to say eat more fruit or eat more vegetables, and that would be 多吃水果. 水果 is fruit, and then 多吃蔬菜 eat more vegetables. Okay, so these are the examples that I have here for more do something. So basically English is do something more. And then let's try another one. So if we want to say 3点多, that actually here the 多 also means more, but it's only indicate a quantity or a number. So let's say 3点, 3 点, it is a clock, and then 多 it is more. So we can also translate it as a bit more. So 3点多, 3 o'clock and a bit more, and that will be after 3 but less than 4 o'clock. Okay, so that will be everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.